West Cambridge homeowners, if you've been wondering whether 2025 is the right time to sell, the data gives us a very clear answer. In 2024, the average sale price was around $2.13 million. By 2025, it climbed to $2.18 million, an increase of nearly $49,000. Average price per square foot rose from $862 to $899, and homes sold in 33 days on average versus 59 the year before. Many sellers in West Cambridge are motivated by accumulated equity, relocation opportunities, or downsizing. Equity-rich owners are taking advantage of high valuations and quicker sales, while others are moving before interest rates shift or competition rises. Delaying your sale could mean facing higher inventory, longer days on market, or buyers becoming more price sensitive. Interest rate changes also directly affect affordability, which can shrink your buyer pool. Sellers in West Cambridge should focus on presentation, pricing competitively, and leveraging the current momentum. Homes that are well prepared and positioned are capturing attention and multiple offers. If you live in West Cambridge and you've even been considering selling, don't wait. Click the link below to get your free, no-obligation home value report tailored to West Cambridge. This will give you the numbers you need to make a confident decision in 2025.